It was estimated that because of people switching to metro trains, about 33,000 tons of CNG, 3,300 tons of diesel, 21,000 tons of petrol was saved by the end of the year 2007. Find the fraction of the first one. Quantity of diesel saved to the quantity of petrol saved. Let's do that first. It's the ratio of the quantity of diesel saved upon the quantity of petrol saved. The quantity of diesel saved is 3,300 tons upon 21,000 tons. If you look at the highest common factor of these two, you will get 300, so we can divide this by 300, or else there's an alternate method. We'll solve in that alternate method. I'm going to divide this zeros. This is divisible by 11 times. 3 7s are 21, 70 times. We get it as 11 upon 70. Next one is the fraction of the quantity of diesel saved upon the quantity of CNG saved. The quantity of diesel saved is 3,300 upon the quantity of CNG saved is 33,000. Again, we shall simplify this. We can reduce the fraction. 11 times followed by 1 0. 11 ones are 11 tens are. We get the fraction as 1 upon 10. Question 112. Energy content of different food are as follows. Here the food and the energy content per kg is been given. Wheat 3.2 joules, rice 5.3 joules, potatoes which is cooked 3.7 joules, milk 3 joules. Which food is providing the least energy and which one provides the maximum energy? And they have also asked to express the least energy as a fraction of the maximum energy. So here, when you observe this, the least energy is given by the food milk, because this is the smaller among all the energy contents given. Therefore, milk provides least energy and rice provides maximum. They have also asked us to find the fraction. Therefore, the required fraction is 3.0 upon 5.3, or it is 30 upon 53. Question 113. A cup is 1 by 3 full of milk. What part of the cup is still to be filled by the milk to make it full? Here, they have given cup is 1/3 of the total. So the remaining part of the cup which can be filled, which is still to be filled by milk, will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3, that is 2 by 3. Question 114. Mary bought 3.5 meter of lace. She used 1 3 by 4 meter of lace for her new dress. How much lace is left with her? The length of the lace is bought by Mary is 1 by 2 meter, which is 7 by 2 meter. The length of lace she used is 1 3 by 4 meter, it is 7 by 4 meter. Therefore, the lace left with her will be equal to 7 by 2 minus 7 by 4. Here the LCM is 4. So when 4 is the LCM, we need to multiply 2 to 7 and 1 to 7 respectively. So it becomes 14 minus 7, which is 7 by 4, which is nothing but 1 3 by 4 meter. Whatever the amount of lace she has used, the same amount of lace is left here. Question 115. When Sunita weighed herself on Monday, she found that she had gained 1 by 4 5 kg. Here there is a printing mistake. This is only 1 by 4 kg. This 5 is not there. Earlier she weighed 46 3 by 8 kg. What was her weight on Monday? As per the given question, Sunita gained 1 by 4 kg, which is nothing but 5 by 4 kg. Earlier, her weight was 46 3 by 8, which is nothing but 371 by 8 kg. Therefore, her total weight on Monday will be the sum of 371 by 8 plus 5 by 4. Here the LCM is 8. When 8 is the LCM, this has to be multiplied by 2, this has to be multiplied by 1. In total, it is 371 plus 10, which is 381 upon 8. Further, we can simplify. 8 4s are 32, 6 remains, 8 7s are 56, 5 will remain, which is less than 8. So it becomes 47 5 by 8 kg. Question 116. Sunil purchased 12.5 liters of juice on Monday, 14 3 by 4 liters of juice on Tuesday. How much liters of juice did he purchase together in 2 days? Here the total quantity of juice he purchased in 2 days will be the sum of 12.5 plus 14 3 by 4. Let's make them an improper fraction. This becomes 25 upon 2 plus 14 4s are 56 plus 3 59 upon 4. Here let's take the LCM. The LCM is 4. When 4 is LCM, this has to be multiplied by 2. This with the 1, it becomes 50 added to 59, which is 109 upon 4 liters. In other words, it is 4 2s are 8, 2 remains 29, 4 7s are 28, 1 remains 1 by 4 liters. 27 1 by 4 liters. If you people are feeling difficult to convert in direct way, you can follow this division. You can follow the division, you will be getting the remainder as 1, and here there will be 27. 27 1 by 4. Question 117. Nazima gave 2 3 by 4 liters out of 5.5 liters of juice she purchased to her friends. How many liters of juice is left with her? Here, the quantity of juice left with her will be the quantity of juice left with her will be equal to the quantity of milk she has given to be subtracted from, this is minus, let me correct that, minus, from 5.5 we need to subtract 2 3 by 4. Let's convert that. It becomes 11 by 2 minus 11 by 4. Here the LCM is 4, so it has to be multiplied by 2. This with 1, 22 minus 11, it becomes 11 by 4, or it is 2 3 by 4 liters. Question 118. Roma gave a wooden board of length 151 by 4 centimeter to a carpenter for making his shelf. The carpenter sawed off a piece of 41 by 5 centimeter from it. What is the remaining length of the wooden piece or the wooden board? Here the length of remaining piece will be equal to 150 1 by 4 minus 40 1 by 5. Let's convert in a improper fraction. This 15 fours are 60, so it becomes 600 plus 1, which is 601 upon 4, minus 4 5s are 20, so it becomes 201 upon 5. Here the LCM is the product, 20. When 20 is the LCM, this has to be multiplied by 5, this with the 4. When 5 is multiplied to 601, it becomes 3005 minus 804. Let's subtract. We'll be getting 2201 upon 20, which is nothing but 110 1 upon 20 centimeters. Question 119. Nazir traveled 3.5 kilometers in a bus and then he walked 1/8 kilometers to reach town. How much did he travel to reach town? Here the total distance traveled by Nazir, the total distance traveled by Nazir will be the sum of 3.5 with 1/8. Let's convert that in an improper fraction. We'll be getting 7/2 and 9/8. Let's add them up. 8 is the LCM, so 7 has to be multiplied by 4, 8 to be multiplied, 9 to be multiplied by 1, and we get 7 4s are 28 plus 9. 28 plus 9 is 37 upon 8 in terms of kilometer. Since in the question they are mixed fractions, let me express this in a mixed fraction. I'll be getting 4 5/8 kilometers. Question 120. The fish caught by Neetu was of weight 3/4 kilograms, and the fish caught by Narendra was 2.5 kilograms. How much more did Neetu's fish weigh than Narendra's? Here the weight of fish caught by Neetu is 3/4 kilograms. Let's make it improper. It becomes 15 upon 4 kilogram. The weight of fish caught by Narendra is 2.5 kg, which is 5 upon 2 kg. Therefore, the difference will be 15/4 minus 5/2. Here the LCM is 4, so 15 minus this has to be multiplied by 2, 10. It becomes 5/4 kg, which is 1/4 kilograms. 121 is Neelam's father needs 1 3/4 meter of cloth for the skirt of Neelam's new dress and half meter of for scarf. How much cloth must he buy in all? So clearly this is a question related to addition. Here the cloth required for skirt will be 1 3 by 4 meter. This is nothing but 7 upon 4 meter. Cloth required for scarf is half a meter. Now the total cloth required, total length of cloth required will be 7 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Clearly the LCM is 4, so 7 has to be multiplied by 1, 1 has to be multiplied by 2. We get 7 plus 2, which is 9 upon 4. On conversion into mixed fraction, it is 2 1 by 4 meters. Question 122. What is wrong in the following addition? 8 1 by 2 is equal to 8 2 by 4. 4 1 by 4 is written as such, and addition is done here. Here 8 plus 4 is written as 12, 2 plus 1 is written as 3, 4 plus 4 is taken as 8. Is this a correct addition? Actually, when the denominators are same, the denominators will be added up. When we consider 8 1 by 2, it is 17 upon 2. If you consider 8 2 by 4, this is 34 upon 4. If you divide this both numerator and denominator, we would get 17 by 2 only. Now if you consider 4 1 by 4, it will be 17 upon 4. When we add this 17 upon 4 with 34 upon 4, we will be getting 4 in the denominator and the numerator will be 17 plus 34. This will be 51 by 4. Now if you consider 12 3 by 4, 3 by 8, this will be 8 multiplied to 12 will be 96 plus 3, 99 upon 8. These two, they are not the same. So here the mistake is in the denominator, it has to be 4. The equal denominators will retain, only the numerators will be added up. In this case also there is a difference. Let me take a different colored ink. This is nothing but 13 upon 2. This is nothing but 9 upon 4. When we add this 13 by 2 with 9 by 4, the LCM is 4. Hence this to be multiplied with 2, this with 1. We get 26 plus 9, which is 35 divided by 4. When we take 8 2 by 6, which is 8 1 by 3, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 is 25 by 4. Here both are not the same. Therefore the mistake is we must retain the LCM of denominator and numerators to be added up. This is what to be done. Question 123. Which one is greater, 1 meter 40 centimeter plus 60 centimeter or 2.6 meter? When we look at this, 1 meter 40 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. This will be same as 1.4 centimeter plus 0.6 centimeter. Add them up, we get 2.0 centimeter. Sorry, here I have made a mistake. This is not centimeter. When I convert, it is meters. So I get 2.0 meters. One more is 2.6 meter. Compare this with this, we get clearly 2.6 meter larger than 2 meter. Therefore, 2.6 meter is larger than 1 meter 40 centimeter added to 60 centimeter. Question 124 is to match the fraction of column 1 with the shaded or marked portion of the figures of column 2. Let me mention the answers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 1, which figure will hold true? 1 is 6 upon 4, which is same as 3 upon 2. Which is 1 complete, 1 by 2. Here in the option D, we have 1 complete and 2 parts are shaded. If you want to write this particular 6 by 4 in a mixed fraction, we will be getting 1 2 by 4, which is 1 complete and 2 parts out of 4 parts. So for the first one, option D is a right answer. Second one is 6 by 10. You just observe, this is nothing but 3 by 5. Observe figure 1, figure A. Here, between 1 and 0, there are 5 equal parts. So this is 5 by 5. Next is 6 by 5. Likewise, here somewhere here we have 3 by 5. When I consider this complete parts, 7 by 5, 9 by 5, somewhere here we have 10 by 5. This is 7 by 5, this is 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5. So this particular part 3 by 5 is there here. So this they should have marked it. If I mark, option A is the right answer. Look at the third one, 6 by 6. All 6 parts are to be shaded. Here count the number of parts. There are 6 parts in E which are shaded. So 1 and E, they are equivalent. Figure E will represent the third one. Next is 6 by 16. 6 parts out of the 16 parts are shaded. Here count the number of parts. Sixteen parts are there. In that, count the number of shaded portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are been shaded. So the fourth one and B, they are equivalent. So the right answer for the fourth one is B. Question 125. Find the fraction that represents the natural numbers to the total number of collections 0 to 5. What will it be for a whole number? The fraction represents the natural numbers of the total numbers. 5 by 6, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in this the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction that represents the number of natural numbers to the total numbers is 5 by 6. Out of these numbers, the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the fraction that represents the numbers of whole numbers to the total numbers will be 6 upon 6, because there are 6 whole numbers in all these numbers. Similar is the question here in 126. The fraction representing total number of natural numbers in the collection of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What fraction will it be for whole numbers? What will be for integers? First let me write the given numbers here. Out of these, I'll identify the natural numbers. Here the natural numbers are 1, 2 and 3. I'll represent the whole numbers among these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and the integers are right from the negative numbers. They are all integers. We have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the fraction which represents the natural numbers will be, there are 3 natural numbers out of the 7. The fraction which represents the whole numbers will be 4 upon 7. The fraction which represents the integers will be 7 upon 7. Question 127. Write a pair of fractions whose sum is 7 upon 11 and difference is 2 upon 11. Here, let me consider one of the fraction. Let one fraction be x. So another fraction will become 7 by 11 minus x. If x is 1, other will be 7 by 11 minus x because their sum is 7 by 11. Now according to the question, their difference is 2 by 11. So I take the difference of these numbers. This is 2 by 11. So x minus 7 by 11. Now this minus of minus x will become plus x, which is equal to 2 by 11. X and x, they are the like terms. 2x will be equal to 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11. We'll be getting 9 by 11. That is 2x, 9 by 11. So the value of x is 9 by 22. Once the value of x is obtained, we can find 7 by 11 minus 9 by 22. Here the LCM is 22. So this will become 14 minus 9, which is 5 by 22. So the numbers are 5 by 22 and 9 by 22. Question 128. What fraction of a straight angle is a right angle? Straight angle to right angle means we have to consider 90 degree upon 180 degree. So the fraction is 1 upon 2. And with this question, I end this chapter.